Hello dear student of class 8. Welcomes to DAV Moyle Public School online e-learning session of social science. I am your social science teacher Mr. Manish sir, and today we are going to revise the Vice President of India. Dear student, the powers of the Vice President. First of all, the Vice President of India means Uparashtrapati is elected for a period of 5 years by all the members of both houses, like President, both houses of the Parliament, by single transferable vote system in accordance with the proportional representation system. So, the Vice President is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. He performs the same functions in Rajya Sabha as the Speaker of Lok Sabha does. Since the Vice President is not a member of Rajya Sabha, he does not participate in voting in the houses. However, in the case of tie, he can exercise his casting vote whenever the office of President falls vacant due to death, resignation, or impeachment. The Vice President takes over as officiating President till fresh election is held. The new President must be elected within 6 months as officiating President. The Vice President is entitled to all the powers, privileges, and emoluments due to the President of India. See the powers of Vice President on our screen. The takes over the office President in the following cases: death of the President, he take a charge; resignation of the President, then removal or impeachment of the President, then when President is unable to discharge his duties owing to absence, illness, or any other cause. When Vice President take over the office of President, then the Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha heads the Rajya Sabha. So, in the absence of President, if the, the Vice President does the following functions. These are the functions. In the absence of the President, the functions are similar of Vice President. Executive powers, military powers, legislative powers. These functions are same as the President of the country. Executive power, PM Minister, State Governor, Controller, General Auditor General, Attorney General. So, some financial power, judicial functions, emergency powers also. So, it is all about the Vice President of India. Okay, dear student, I hope you understand today's topic. So, here, the some Vice President of India. First Vice President of India was Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. The present Vice President of India is Venkaiah Naidu. It is the list of the Vice President of India. Remember, dear student, the Vice President is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha. He performs the same functions Rajya Sabha as the Speaker of Lok Sabha does. And he also performs the functions of President in the absence of President, as similar as. So, in previous period we learned about the functions of the President of India. So, there is no need to learn about the functions of the Vice President of India. Okay, dear student, I hope you understand today's topic. So, here the some assignment question. What are the functions of Vice President of India? You should write these questions answer in your copy properly. Okay, dear student. So, thank you for watching this online video, and thank you for making me a part of your day. Have a nice day ahead.